Hello guys, welcome in this tutorial. Long times ago I didn't make a video. Today I share with you one best website you can refer yourself to with that website. I share with you my one referral, and you can earn much more cryptocurrency like Bitcoin with that website. Let's go to that website. This is the website name is Btcmaker. Link in description. Click the link and come here, register yourself. And this website have a level. Every level this website pay you some Bitcoin. If you reach the master every 1 hour, every hourly you can claim this much from the master. And it's very easy. Just come here, fill this capture. Fill this capture, and you can now click random, and this website pay me this much Satoshi, 30 Satoshi. And if I reach this target, I reach level 2, and that's website pay me much more. Then you can come here, click all of these, go to affiliates. I refer myself. This is my link of referral link. Now I come here, fill this capture too. You can refer yourself more than 2 or 3 times, not more than that. This one told me please wait 30 minutes. I missed one thing because this time is 2 is 1. Just if you fill this one, click close, come here, refresh the page, then come here back. This one give me a timer because I didn't close this one before the faucet, the first faucet. Now I can share with you how we can earn much more. You can make much more with that trick, and I will share how to you can sign in yourself with that. Just I come here, log in myself first. At the first go to sign up. You need a username, email, password, and again password. Fill the capture. That's too easy to log in this page. And if you sign up and come here, log in again your page. You can confirm your email. You can play game for earning much more crypto, like any this game you want. This is my beats. They show me my loss and my earning. You can come here, click 1 and click dig. I win 1 BTC. Click again. I lost. Like this you can click and you can make much more. This very easy. If you earn much more, you can come here, click this, and the level will increase every time you play the game. You can deposit from here if you want hourly faucet or bonus faucet. This is 2 type. You can claim bonus faucet too. This is the bonus faucet. This much faucet they pay me. Just click 3 time bonus faucet you can claim. Not 3 time, is 10 time. Just click and they pay me this much again. 50. That's like this one is too much. and one time again I claim this. This is you can see I earn, and now I can claim. No, you didn't claim. Okay, you didn't have a bonus right now. Now it's hourly, you can claim, or you can play the game. You can multiple your earning with this playing games. You can deposit some crypto in here, and you can play game and for multiple, and you can make much more crypto, and you can withdraw your funds if the withdrawal is the minimum withdrawal is this much, the fees they took this much. Okay, this too easy. You can earn this crypto. You can go to settings, you can verify your email address, and you can always you can make much more security with your account and referral link. Okay, you can copy your referral link and paste for other people, and every faucet pay you this much, every beating game pay you this much, every gift the card they receive pay you 5%. Okay, this one is very good. Now this one is my another account. You know that I have a bonus faucet in here too. I can claim from this account too. If you make multiple accounts, you can claim daily this bonus faucet. Okay, every time. And this one is very easy, very good. You can make much more cryptocurrency. Now you can see. Okay, I didn't have good luck. I just received very low price. Okay, this one now it's finished. Okay, and I earned this much crypto. Now I can go to bonus, I can go to affiliate, and this much bonus from I can earn from affiliate to I affiliate myself. I refer myself with this account. Okay, I can earn this much Satoshi from the past account I share. Okay, just you can claim this Satoshi. I claim 50 Satoshi. Just I refresh. Okay, now you can see I can claim my referral. Okay, this is very easy. You can claim your referral. You can referral yourself to earn much more cryptocurrency. And if you have multiple Gmail account, you can referral yourself and make multiple Gmail account, and you can earn multiple faucet. Okay, price the 50% of price. Okay, and now I go to my first account, going to game. I want to play a game and earn more cryptocurrency. I didn't think if I lose, I don't want, but if I lose, don't worry, because I want to beating for the level. Okay, if you reach the level, you can make much more crypto. Just be careful till just to focus to reach the level. Okay, now go to UT and go to increase 100%, click auto betting, last win, when like this. You can see today is my very good luck. I can win much more cryptocurrency, lost win. Okay, and this is all the win and lost things. If I lost, double meat for winning. Okay, and this one is good. You can keep doing this every day if you have a multiple cryptocurrency from here, and this one pay you much more. And now I go to affiliate again, and this much price give me for gaming. Okay, beating gaming. and now I go to play with this game too. Increase the bet and click OK, and that's it. This website link in description. Click the link and come here, register yourself and start betting and make much more crypto. If you register yourself, if you affiliate with yourself, you can make much more crypto from this website. Okay, and if you reach the level, you can earn much more crypto from this all level they told you. Okay, this 100% paying website, and this is a new website I share with you. Please subscribe to my channel for more on base videos, and goodbye for now.